taken.
Yeah, depend on it. Yeah. So what make it different between face of one passport and another? The answer is age. Ya. Yang membedakan adalah usia, membedakan harga. Well, go ahead. True, false, or not given. True, false, or not given. Number one, if you are U.S. citizenship living in Canada, you are eligible to renew by mail. True or false or not given?
True.
True. For correcting passport error, you need to fill out the S82 form.
False.
Correcting error.
False.
Ya, ada yang true, ada yang false. Kita lihat ada yang true, ada yang false. Correcting ya. Correcting. Ya, DS itu false ya, false. Ya. Correcting errors DS 5504. Well, you need to collect copy of birth certificate for applying passport. You need to collect copy of birth certificate for applying passport.
Not given.
Not given.
True or false?
Not given.
Or not given. So, is it different between birth certificate and proof of citizenship evidence? Yeah. They are different or the same?
Difference.
Yeah. If different, so what does it the answer?
Not
True.
Yeah. You say, yeah. This one. True or false?
True.
True.
5504. 5504. Yeah, for replacing limited validity. Well, procedure tag, generic structure. Generic structure of procedure tag consists of goal, aim, and then step. Ya, kemudian step-stepnya. Inner step should be in order. Jadi stepnya harus urut. Ya, stepnya harus urut. So, complete the following step to summarize how to complete the goal above. Number 1, fill out your form. Then, number 2, number 3, 4, and 5. Well, you can continue.
Number 2, select the supporting document.
Collect supporting document. Number 3,
Get your photo.
Get the photo.
get the photo.
Number 4,
Calculate.
Calculate the passport fee.
Then submit.
Okay, calculate. Number 5, submit. Okay, good. Very good answer. Well, then, focus 2. Ya, kita focus 2. Well, just read first. Ya, silakan dibaca dulu. We are going to read the text. We are going to read the text.
Yes.
Ya, monggo, Pak. Yes, you may, Pak.
Yeah. Making tables in Microsoft Word. Tables help you present information in a clear and organized way. There are 3 ways to add tables to your document in Microsoft Word. steps. These instructions are based of Microsoft Word 2003, but the process is very similar in other versions of Word. Here's who to make
Yang
a table
yang
from
kemarin
the
3 tahun
table
berapa?
and produce toolbar.
Ya.
Here's how to make a table from the inside table dialog box. Number 1, click on table from the menu bar. 2, select insert and then table. A dialog box will open. 3, enter the desired number of rows the columns. 4, choose autofill behavior if you want the table cells to automatically expand to fit the text inside. Rather, select a table with a specific format. 6, click OK to insert new table. Taken from https computercohesion.com to make table on Microsoft Word HM. Thank you.
Okay, good, Pak Fathur, ya. Then we are going to read again. To Siti Walia.
May I try, sir?
Yes,
Yeah, you may. To Siti Walia.
Yes, sir.
To Diana or to Siti Walia?
Bu Siti is okay, sir.
To Siti. Okay, to Siti Walia. Ya. Ya, tadi yang muncul di sini Bu Siti Walia ya. Ya, oke.
Yes, sir. Making tables in Microsoft Word. Table help you present information in a clear and organized way. There are 3 ways to add table to your document, covering only a few easy steps. The instructions are based on Microsoft Word 2003, but the process is very similar in other versions of Word. Here's how to make a table from the tables in the Borders toolbar. Is how to make a table from the Insert Table dialog box. 1. Click on Table from the menu bar. 2. Select Insert and then Table, a dialog box. 3. Enter the desired number of rows and columns. 4. Choose Auto-Fit behavior if you want to table cells to automatically expand to fit the text inside them. 5. Choose auto format if you'd rather select a table with a specific format. 6. Click OK to insert your table.
Okay, thank you to Siti Walia.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
Activity 1, you have to put the sentence below in correct order and subtract proper phrase from the box. Well, I think this is the box, yeah? This is the box, and you have to fill it. From this one, as you read, ya, seperti yang dibaca tadi. Number 1, number 2, number 4, number 5, number
I'm sorry, sir.
6.
May I
Yeah,
ask a question?
Yeah, you may, Pak.
Okay, thank you very much. My question is that what is the difference between the using are they replaceable or for specific purpose? Thank you.
Yeah, it should be, well, number 1, yeah, first, yeah, first, second, next, then later, and then the last, ya, yang paling akhir. Well, next, then later, last. Mestinya seperti itu, Pak. Next, then later, last. Say, you may say this one, ya, karena tidak ada 3 ya, berarti next, then later. And then the last one, you may use number 3 last. Silakan nanti bisa diurutkan. Pertama, kedua, berikutnya, kemudian setelah itu, ya, baru kemudian yang terakhir. Ya.
Yes, sir.
You can try, Pak Sulis.
Okay. Firstly, click on the menu bar.
Click on table.
Firstly, click on table of the menu bar. Secondly, select insert and then table. A dialog box will open. Next, enter the desired number of rows and columns. Then, choose auto fit behavior if you want the table cells to automatically expand to fit the text inside them. Later, choose auto format if you'd rather select a table with a specific format. Last, click OK to insert your table.
Okay, good, very good, Pak Sulis, ya, Pak Sulis. Tadi, firstly, secondly, next, then later, then last.
Last.
Yeah? Well, we are going to repeat. Yeah, we are going to repeat these answers. Yang mau mengulangi, silakan. Jawaban Pak Sulis tadi sudah jelas, saya pikir, ya. Tadi dari Pak Sulis. Ya, Bu Dian Eka.
Yes, sir.
Ya, Bu Dian.
Okay. Firstly, click on the table from the menu bar. Secondly, select insert and then table. A dialog box will open. Next, enter the desired number of row and column. Then, choose auto fit behavior if you want the table cell to automatically expand to fit the text inside them. Later, choose auto format if you'd rather select a table with a specific format. Last, click OK to insert your table. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good, very good answer, Bu Dian, ya. Well, then rearranging says using number, ya. Sekarang using number. Now, rearrange below sentence in a group text by giving number in order. Well,
Number 3, number 2, number 3, number 2, number 4, 5, 1, and 6.
well, 3, number 2, number 5,
Number 4,
number 4,
number 4 and
one,
number 5. Number 4, number 5,
and
number 1, and number 6.
number 1 and number 6. Okay. Is it right? Sudah tepat jawaban Pak Sulis. Number 1,
Yes.
number 3. sorry, number 3,
Number 3,
Number two.
Number
number 2, number
Number 4.
4,
Number 4,
number 5,
five, number 1,
One.
number
number
6.
6. Ya, sudah tepat belum jawaban Pak Sulis?
Yes.
Yes. Oke.
Yes.
Ya, you may repeat again, Bu. Yang tadi yes. Bu Ika. Bu Ika ya.
Okay, sir.
Bu Ika. Just repeat Pak Sulis answer.
Number 3, number 2, number 4, number 5, number 1, number 6.
Okay, good. Very good. Number 3, number 3, number 2, number 4, number 5, number 1, number 6 ya. Okay, then go ahead focus 3 ya. Kita lanjut ke focus 3. Ya, well, activity 1. Activity 1. Sebentar ya Bu ya, saya izin sebentar, nanti kembali lagi. Well, for question 1 and questions 2. Question 1, if you have ever got, then you say yes I have. Yeah. For those who haven't, you say no I haven't. Yang pernah terluka ya, pernah terluka, silakan menjawab yes I have. Yang belum menjawab no I haven't. Then number 2, question number 2. Well, I'll ask you one by one. Ya. Saya coba sapa Bapak Ibu satu persatu ya, question 1 and questions 2. Question 1 and questions 2. Ya, back to Pak Ahmad. Pak Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Ya, question 1 and questions 2, Pak.
Okay, question 1, have you got bleeding cut? Yes, I have.
Then questions 2.
What the first aid you do when you get it? I'm using obat merah. Obat merah.
Ya. Then
iodine.
Bu Ana. Oke, Pak Ahmad Nur. Bu Ana. Bu Ana Nur.
Yes, sir.
Pak Chandra. Ya, Bu Ana.
Number 1, yes, I have.
Nomor telu.
Number 2.
Infection. Cat infection.
Well, number 2. Okay, Pak Chandra.
Yes, sir.
Chandra.
Number 1, yes.
Number 2.
Number 2, betadine.
Ya. Oke, Bu Dewi Masito.
Number 1, yes, I have. Number
Yes, I
2,
have.
I using betadine.
Ya.
Number 3, may get infection.
Yeah, number 1 and number 2. Okay. Bu Dewi Setianingrum.
Oh, Dewi Suko.
Baik, tadi Bu Dewi Masito. Oke. Bu Dewi Setianingrum.
Okay, number 1. Yes, I have. Number 1,
number
yes,
two.
I have. Number 2. What is the first? Number 2. First, I clean with warm water, and then I applied with betadine.
Well,
And then,
okay.
And number 3, it will be infection.
It will. Okay,
Yes.
number 1, number 2, number 3. Number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pak Dharma. Ya, Bu Dewi. Pak Dharma.
Yes, sir.
Ya, Pak Dharma, suaranya ada suara bising dari Pak Dharma. Oh,
Yes, right, sir.
ya.
The other one is my friends.
Oke, Pak Dharma. Number 1 and number 2.
Yes, I have for number 1.
Yes, I have number 1.
And number 2, I give betadine on my bleeding. And I want it with Hansaplast or Handyplast. And I
Okay,
cover it.
ya, Pak Dharma. This is different from Budian Eka.
Yes, I have. Number 1.
Yes, I have.
And then number 2, the first aid is give a pressure to the bleeding cut and wash it. And then number 3, maybe it will infection, or maybe it can be inflammation.
So number 1, number 2, and number 3. Ya, Budian.
Yes.
Pak Alan. Pak Alan.
Yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I have.
Yes,
Number
I
2,
have.
for the first aid when you do this, first I will clean the wound with warm water and apply dirty cream, and then it with a sterile bandage. Then
Well,
number 3, what will happen to the bleeding cuts if the person does not get the first aid? I think it will get infection, sir.
Okay, very good, Pak Alan. Yeah, very good answer. Well, Pak Eko Budi Prayitno. Pak Eko Budi Prayitno. Ya, mungkin sinyalnya ya, Pak Eko. Bu Eri Sofiana.
Yes, I am sir. Number 1, have you got bleeding cut? Yes, I have. Number 2, first one, I clean with alcohol. Next, I give betadine. Number 3, I get infection. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, questions number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Edwin.
Yes, sir. Answer number 1. Yes, I have. And then number 2, I usually wash it with the clean running water. Betadine on it. And then the answer for number 3, if we don't do the first aid, infection may be occur on it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, a very good answer to Edwin. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Bu Eva, Farah?
Yes, sir. Question number 1. Have you got bleeding cut? Yes, I have. Question number 2. What's the first aid you do when you get it? I usually use betadine. And then what will happen to the bleeding cut if the person does not get the first aid? Of course, it will cause the infection.
Okay, number 1, number 2, and number 3 as well. To Eva.
Thank you, sir.
Pak Suyo. Pak Suyoto. Ya, mungkin Pak Suyoto sinyalnya yang kurang baik. Dan to Pak Fatur Rahman.
And number 1, have you got bleeding cuts? Yes, I have. What the first aid you do when you get it? I clean water, then I make betadine. Number 3, what will happen to the bleeding cuts if the person does not get the first aid? They get infection.
Okay, number 1, number 2, and number 3. To Vita Kurnia.
Yes, sir. For question number 1, yes, I have. I have ever got bleeding cuts. And then for number 2, the first aid I do when I get some cut, I just clean and rinse it using warm water, but sometimes iodine. Then for question number...
Okay.
Yes, thank you. Number 3, what will happen to the bleeding cuts if the person doesn't get the first aid? It will get infection.
Okay, good. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Number 1, 2, 3. Okay. Bu Fitriana. Bu Fitriana. Pak Heri Widiarto.
Yes. Have you got bleeding cut? Yes, I have. Number 2, what the first aid you do have you get it? The first one, I will wash my bleeding cut with warm water, and then I use clean with the alcohol, and then apply with betadine. Number 3, what will happen to the bleeding cut if the person doesn't get the first aid? I think it will get infection, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good, Pak Heri. Bu Ida Nafiati. Bu Ida Nafiati. Bu Ida Sofida.
Yes, sir. Number 1. Yes, I have. Number 2. I clean a water and a betadine. Number 3. It will get infection.
Yeah. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Bu Ida Sofita, Bu Ida Yubaida. Bu Ida Yubaida. Bu Ika Widyarini.
Number 1, yes, I have. Number 2,
Number 2. Ya, mungkin sinyalnya ini kita putus yang dari Bu Ika Widya ini. Go ahead, Bu Ika Merista.
Yes, sir. I will try answer number 1. Number 1, yes, I have. Number 2, firstly, I clean the wound with running water and treat it with wound cream. Number 3, it will be infection and slow down the healing process.
Okay, Bu. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Pak Iskat. Bu Ika Widyarini, you can turn off your microphone. Mikrofonnya bisa dimatikan? Ya, baik. Oke. Pak Iskat Fuadi. Pak Iskat Fuadi. Bu Mami Niarti.
yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I have. And then number 2, I usually with betadine, Hansaplast. And then number 3, maybe it will be infections there.
Yeah. Okay. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Bu Mami has answered. Pak Sarjito.
Number 1, yes, I have, sir.
Well, Sarjito. Pak Muhammad Muslih. Pak Muhammad Muslih.
Yes, sir. Number 1, have you got bleeding cuts? Yes, I have. What the first aid you do when you get it? The first, I will give it with iodine mercurochrome. What will happen to the bleeding cuts if the person does not get the first aid? I think it will be infection.
Okay. Pak Muhammad Muslih. Ya. Bu Nadian Ulfa.
Yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I have. Number 2, first, I clean with Revanol, and then I using Hansaplast. Number 3, we will get the infection if we don't have any first aid on it.
Okay, number 1, number 2, and 3 as well. Bu Nisa. Bu Nisa Fitriati. Pak Nur Hidayat.
Yes, sir. Number 1, have you got bleeding cut? Yes, I have. Number 2, what the first aid you do when you get it? Put Hansaplast. I put Hansaplast on my wound. And number 3, what will happen to the bleeding cut if the person does not get the first aid? I think it will be infection on the wound. Maybe that, sir. Okay, thank you.
Ya. Ya, Pak Nur Hidayat. 1, 2, 3 ya. Question number 1, 2 and 3. Pak Nurisman. Pak Nurisman. Pak Nurisma Kasmari. Ya, Putus kita. Putrul Pita. Ini Pujiastuti.
I have got a bleeding cut. So I first apply with clean water and then give iodine, and then I will cover the wound with Hansaplast, or making the wound is big, or I will cover the wound with a bandage. And then if the bleeding cause doesn't get a first aid, of course it will get an infection. Okay?
Ya, number 1, number 2, and 3 ya, Bu Rini. Oke, good. Bu Rini, Bu Siti Wasila, Pak Bu Siti Walia.
Sir. Yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I have. Number 2, I will apply direct pressure on the cut with a clean cloth, tissue, until bleeding stops. Number 3, it will be infection.
Ya, oke, Bu Siti Walia. Bu Sutiha. Bu Sutiha. Ya, biasanya Bu Sutiha aktif ini ya, itu jaringannya. Pak Sulis, ya, Pak Sulis. Ya, sangat
Yes, sir.
aktif, Pak Sulis.
Number 1, yes, I have. Number 2, I usually use a Hansaplast because it is simple and safe. Number 3, it may cause infection. Thank you.
Okay, good, very good, Pak Sulis ya. Different answer. And Pak Safi'i.
Saifi, sir.
Abdurrahman. Saifi. Oh, mohon maaf, Pak Saifi. Abdurrahman.
Number 1, have you got bleeding cuts? Yes, I have. Number 2, what the first aid you do when you get it? The first aid I do get, I with Revanol and was give betadine and then wrap it with a bandage. Number 3, what will happen to the bleeding cut if the person doesn't get the first aid? It will be infection.
Ya, Pak Taufik.
Yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I have. Number 2, I clean the bleeding cut. with running water. Then I usually use betadine and Hansaplast. Number 3, it can be infection and fine, pingsan.
Ya, Pak Taufik. Pak Tri Mulyo. Pak Tri Mulyo. Pak Udian, Pak Dian. Pak Dian. Pututi.
Yes, sir. Number 1, yes, I have. Number 2, I was aware then I betadine. Number 3, I get infection. Thank you.
Ya, Pututi ya. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Well, back to the question. Back to questions number 3. Untuk pertanyaan number 3 tadi ada bee infection, ada cat infection, ada cows infection ya. Saya lihat tadi ada 3 itu. Ya, ya kalau cat menggunakan what do you think, Pak Slamet, Pak Bila,
Sulis, Pak.
Pak Sulis. Pak Sulis.
If we use
using
then get infected.
Ya, B Pak.
I'm sorry.
Will be infected or infection?
We will be infected.
Infected. Okay, good, very good. And cause
infection.
Infection. Yeah. Well, good answer from Pak Sulis. Yeah. If we use B, will be infected. Yeah. Get infect. Cause infection. Yeah. It's okay. Well, yang di infections tadi dikoreksi nih Bapak Ibu ya, be infected. Well, number two, well, reading activity, activity 2, number 1. Yeah, if you get bleeding, what should you do for stopping it? Yeah, for stopping it. Untuk stop, yeah, what will you do? You can find the answer. Yeah, just say quickly how to stop bleeding. Questions number 1. Questions number 1. Who are going to answer questions number 1? What should you do for stopping it? Just read it. Hanya dibaca aja, silakan.
Let me try, sir.
Ya, you may book.
To
Bu
stop
ini, ya, Bu ini.
Yes. To stop the bleeding, you can apply direct pressure on the cut or wound with a clean cloth, tissue, or piece of gauze until bleeding stops. Or if the bleeding stops through the material, then remove it. Put some cloth or cloth on top of it and continue to apply pressure. And then if the wound is on the arm or legs, press the limb above the heart if possible to help slow bleeding. Later, wash your hand again after giving first aid and before cleaning and dressing the wound. And then the last, do not apply tourniquets until the bleeding is severe and not stop when direct pressure.
Okay, good. Very good, Bu Rini. We are going to repeat Bu Rini's answer. Number one, yang mau mengulang, silakan.
Hi, sir.
Ya, you may, Bu.
Okay, thanks. One,
Bu
stop
Subiha.
bleeding. Yes. Stop bleeding. Apply direct pressure on the cut or wound with a clean cloth, tissue, or piece of gauze until bleeding stops. If blood soaks through the material, don't remove it. Put more cloth or gauze on top of it and continue to apply pressure. If the wound is on the arm or leg, raise lime above the heart, if possible, to have slow bleeding. Wash your hands again after giving first aid and before cleaning and dressing the wound.
The edges are checked or keeping open. And then the wound is on the person's face. And then the wound has dirt or debris that wound come out. Next, the wound shows signs of infections such as redness, tenderness, or a thick discharge. Then the area around of the wound feels numb. The red streaks from around the wound, or the wound is a result of an animal or human bite. The last, if the person has a puncture wound or deep cut and hasn't had a tetanus shot in the past 5 years, or anyone who hasn't had a tetanus shot in the past 10 years.
Yeah, okay. Very good, Bu Rini. We are going to repeat Bu Rini's answer, still number 3.
I will repeat that.
Yeah,
When
Bu
to,
Subiha.
when to call a doctor, the wound is deep or the edge are judged or keeping open. The wound is on the person's face. The wound has dirt or debris that won't come out. The wound shows signs of infection such as redness, tenderness, or a thick discharge, or if the person runs a fever. The area around the wound feels numb. Red streaks form around the wound. The wound is a result of an animal or human bite. The last, the person has a puncture wound and hasn't had a tetanus shot in the past 5 years, or anyone who hasn't had a tetanus shot in the past 10 years. Thank you.
Okay, good, very good, Bu Subiha. Then activity 3. Yeah. Go ahead, activity 3. Activity 3. Number one. What is the first things to do for stopping bleeding? The first thing to do, yeah. Number 1.
Stop bleeding.
Give a direct pressure.
Ya, Pak Fathur.
Stop breathing. Apply direct pressure on the cut or wound with a clean cloth, tissue, or piece of gauze until bleeding stops. If blood struck the material, don't remove it, but put more cloth or gas on top of it and continue to apply pressure. If the wound is on the arm or leg, raise lamp above the head if possible to have slow bleeding. Wash your hands again after the and before cleaning and greasing the wound. Next, do not apply to risk unless the bleeding is severely and not stop with direct pressure.
Yeah, Pak Fatur, yeah. Well, the question is, what is the first thing? Yeah, the first thing to do. Well, Pak Fatur has a very complete answer, but the question is, what is the first thing? Yeah.
Just
Well,
apply or give direct pressure on.
Ini.
Give direct pressure on the cut or wound.
Yeah.
With a clean cloth, tissue, or a piece of gauze until the bleeding stops.
Okay, so this is the first thing to do. Yeah, the first thing to do. Well, go ahead. Well, I'll ask you one by one ya. Ini biar nanti terkebagian semua ya. Well, number one, number two. Why is not allowed for number two? Ya, I'll call you one by one. Number two. Ya, yang sering Pak Ahmad Nur. Questions number two, Pak Ahmad Nur. Questions number two. Why it is not allowed? So you can find the answer. Well, Pak, kelihatannya Pak Ahmad Nurkoi. Bu Ana. Questions number two. Bu Ana, questions number two, you can find in number one, stop bleeding. Bu Ana, Pak Basuki. Pak Basuki, questions number two.
Yes, sir.
You can find the answer in number one.
Okay.
Pak Basuki. You can find in number one.
What is the question, sir?
Questions number two. Why? Yeah, questions number two, Pak. Why is not it is not allowed for applying technique for to stop bleeding? You can find in number one.
Is it not allowed for applying what's it? Okay, sir. Why is it not?
Yeah, you may, Pak. You may. Number one, Pak.
Can I read the passage before, sir? Okay. Okay, Mbak.
Well,
Maybe I pass.
Well, you can find the answer in.
I
You
cannot
can
find the
find
answer.
in stop bleeding.
I'm still confused.
Then 1, 2,
Okay, stop
3,
bleeding.
4, 5. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah,
4,
related
5.
to your question.
Yes. Sorry. Okay. Do not apply a tourniquet unless the bleeding is severe and not stop with direct pressure. Number 5, sir, maybe. The fifth step, maybe.
Yeah. So, what is the answer? From number 2, why is not allowed? Kenapa tidak diperbolehkan? Because
the bleeding is severe.
Yeah, that's right.
And not stop with the direct pressure.
Okay. Yeah. A very good answer. And then who are sorry, who Pak Chandra. Still two Pak Chandra. Because
Yes, sir.
yeah, Chandra. Number 2. Number 2.
Do not and not stop with direct pressure.
Yes.
Counting is and not stop at the direct pressure.
Okay, good. Very Chandra. Budewi Masito, still the same as the question, the same as Pak Basuki, Pak Chandra. Number 2. Budewi Masito.
I'm sorry, barusan izin ke sholat dulu. So.
Yeah, questions number 2. Still questions number 2, Bu. Pak Chandra.
May I answer this question, sir?
Yeah, Pak Sulis. You may Pak Sulis.
But I'm sorry, I have different answer with Pak Chandra and Pak siapa tadi? Pak Basuki maybe.
Pak
The
Chandra
question,
and Pak Basuki.
yeah, the question is that why is not allowed? Mengapa nggak diperbolehkan using tourniquet, menggunakan tourniquet?
Yeah.
Because wounds belongs to minor cuts. Wounds itu masuknya ke luka ringan, unless kecuali the bleeding is severe. Then we can use the tourniquet. Thank you.
Yeah, exactly, Pak Sulis. Exactly, very correct answer, Pak Sulis. Well, Bu Masito, can you repeat Pak Sulis' answer? Yeah, reasonable. Yeah, Pak Sulis. Bu Dewi standing room.
Yes, sir.
Can you repeat Pak Sulis' answer?
Okay. Tapi mungkin tidak sama persis.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I think tourniquet is only used for severe bleeding. Jadi tourniquet dia hanya digunakan untuk luka yang pendarahan hebat. So I think it isn't necessary to use a tourniquet when it's only light bleeding. Jadi jika hanya lukanya ringan tidak perlu pakai tourniquet. I think it's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Bu Dewi has different answer. Yeah. Okay. Well, Pak Dharma. Pak Dharma. Pak Dharma. Budian. Pak Alan. Ya, Pak Alan.
Yes, sir.
Ya, Pak Alan.
Question number 2.
Question number 2, Pak Alan.
Why is it not allowed for applying a tourniquet to stop bleeding? I think it's just minor cut, and the bleeding can easily be stopped with direct pressure, unless we can use the tourniquet unless the bleeding is severe and not stopped with direct pressure, sir.
Okay, very good answer and reasonable. Ya, Pak Alan. Ya, Pak Alan.
Thank you, sir.
Well, okay, go ahead next question. Ya, yang penting ini ya, saya mengharap Bapak Ibu berani berbicara dalam bahasa Inggris. Ya. Ya, tadi sangat bagus sekali alasan-alasan dari Pak Alan, Pak Sulis, Bu Dewi. Ya, okay. Well, go ahead next question. Number 3, what should you do for preventing irritation? What should you do for preventing irritation? Number 3, from Pak Alan, dari Pak Alan tadi, to Budwiani Ardianti. Budwiani. Pak Eko Budi Prayitno.
Ya.
Question number 3, Pak. You may read the text, ya. Bisa membaca teks, silakan, Pak. Ya. Got it? You have got the ideas, Pak Eko. Pak Eko mungkin putus. Bu Eri Sofiana. Bu Eri Sofiana.
I will try, sir. Maybe always use fragrance-free lotion, soaps, and detergent to minimize irritation.
Okay. Then
May I answer?
To Edwin.
Yes, sir.
To Edwin. Questions number 3, Bu.
Yes, sir. My answer is we should gently clean with soap and warm water and try to rinse soap out of wound to prevent irritation.
Okay. Very good answer, Bu. Then Bu Eva. Bu Eva Farah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Question number 3. What
Number
should
3.
you do
Question number 3.
for preventing irritation? I should try to rinse soap out of wound to prevent irritation, and gently clean with soap and warm water.
Okay, to Eva Farah. To Pak Suyoto. Pak Suyoto. Still question number 3.
Satu-satu. Ya.
Pak Suyoto. Pak Fatfur. Pak Fatfur. Pak Fatur, still number 3. Bu Vita. Bu Fitriana. Pak Heri. Ya, sudah capek ini. Pak Heri. Ya. Still question number 3. Ya. Pak Budi. Difference answer with Bu Edwin. Ya. Well, then go ahead. Number 4. What is the function of antibiotic cream? Go ahead, Bu Ida. Bu Ida Nafiati. Bu Ida Nafiati.
Anti one of the apa namanya the infection of the wound.
Yeah, it's okay, bro. Number 3. When Bu Ida Sofida. Bu Ida Sofida.
Yes, sir.
Ya, Bu Ida Sofida.
To help prevent or treat mild skin infection.
Oke, Bu Ida. Bu Ida juga ada. Yeah, you can find in number 3. Bu Ida. Bu Ida juga ada. Bu Ika Widyarini. Bu Ika Widyarini. Bu Ika Melista.
Yes, sir. Number 3 or 4.
Bu Ika Melista.
Number 3 or 4, sir.
Question number 4.
Number 4. The function on antibiotic cream is reduce risk of infection.
Okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Well, the complete one.
Apply antibiotic cream to reduce risk of infection.
Okay. Number 5. Number 5. Yeah, number 5. Where should you change the bandage daily? Okay, from to Ida to Pak Istadi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Maybe to keep the wound clean and dry. So
Bu
to keep
Mami,
the
Pak.
wound clean and dry. So yes.
Pak, yes. Okay, Bu Mami. Pak Muhammad Musleh. Questions number 5, Pak Muhammad Musleh. Yeah, the answer is in number 3. The answer is in number 3, Pak.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, number 5, Pak. So you can find the answer in number 3.
Change the bandage daily to keep the wound clean and dry.
Okay, to keep wound clean and dry. Well, then the last number. In what conditions should you call a doctor? From ya ini masih ada yang masuk. Pak Mukti, Bu Ulfa. Bu Ulfa.
Yes, sir. Okay. When to call a doctor when work is deep or the heads are changed or getting open?
Well, go ahead. The next. Nur Edi. Pak Nur Hidayat. Ya, Pak Nur Edi.
Yes, sir.
The last question, pertanyaan terakhir, Pak.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, you can find the answer in number 4, Pak. Number 4. Well, Pak Edi, last question, you can find the answer of number 4, when to call a doctor. Pak Nurisman.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
When to call a doctor, the wound is on the person's face.
Ya, then go ahead, Bu Nurul. Ya, bisa dilanjutkan ke Bu Nurul. Bu Rini.
Yes, sir. The wood has dirt or debris that won't come out. Actually, there are about 8 conditions, sir. Should I answer all seven?
Go ahead, Bu Siti Walia. Bisa dilanjutkan, Bu Siti Walia.
Yes, I went to call a doctor. The one saw cases of infection such as redness, tenderness, or a thick disease of or the person than fever.
Okay, then go ahead, Ya, Bu Subiha. Bu Subiha.
What number?
Pak Sulis. Bu Subiha.
What
The
number,
last
sir?
number.
In what
The last
condition?
number.
In what condition should you call a doctor?
Yeah, but you have answer this one.
Yes,
Yeah.
red streaks form around the wound. In the text, there are 8 answers, but I
This one.
just
Red
answer
streak.
one.
Okay. Ya,
Red
Bu.
form around the wound.
Oke, Bu Subiha. Pak Sulis sudah sering kali ya. Pak Saifi ya, Pak Sulis sudah sering. Pak Saifi. Pak Taufik.
Yes, sir.
Ya, Pak Taufik.
Saifi, sir.
Pak Saifi.
When to call a doctor, the word is a result of an animal or human being.
Okay, good, very good, Pak. Then the last one, yang terakhir, ya. Pak Taufik. The last one, yang paling akhir, Pak Taufik. Yo. Pak Dion.
Yes, sir.
Well, the last one, Pak.
When call a doctor, the person has a puncture wound, a deep cut, and has had a tetanus shot in the past 5 years. Or anyone who has had a tetanus shot in the past 10 years.
Well, okay. Complete answer ya, from last number ya, sudah lengkap tadi ya, dari number 6 ya. In what condition should you? Well, Bapak Ibu, you are very active ya. Luar biasa Bapak Ibu ya. 2,5 jam sudah join. Masih terdapat 43 Bapak Ibu luar biasa ya. 43 ya, masih join 2,5 jam, luar biasa. But unfortunately time is up and I close this meeting, this class. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ya. Tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.